Have you ever pondered the pivotal role innovative and technology audit plays in today's fast-paced digital world? Firstly, let's dive into the what. Innovative and technology audit, in essence, revolves around assessing the management of technology and innovation within an organization. It's about examining the effectiveness of technological processes, the security of data, and the innovation strategies in place. Now consider the where. This type of audit isn't confined to tech companies or startups. In our modern world, virtually every business sector relies on technology and innovation to some degree. From healthcare to finance, manufacturing to retail, innovative and technology audits hold importance everywhere. And when? These audits should be an ongoing process, not a one-off event. They should occur regularly, at least once a year, or more often depending on the nature and size of the organization. This ensures that any technological risks or weaknesses can be identified and addressed promptly. Now, the big question: why? Why are these audits so crucial? Technology is a rapidly evolving field. New advancements and threats emerge constantly. Therefore, regular audits ensure that an organization's technology and innovation strategies remain relevant, secure, and effective. They help maintain the integrity of data, protect against cyber threats, and ensure that the organization is leveraging technology to its full potential. So, how does this process work? It begins with a comprehensive review of the organization's technology and innovation strategy. This includes assessing the security of data, the effectiveness of technological processes, and the organization's capacity for innovation. The auditor then provides a detailed report, outlining any areas of concern and suggesting improvements. Finally, who is responsible for conducting these audits? This task typically falls to IT auditors, who possess the necessary technical knowledge and skills. These professionals are adept at identifying potential risks, assessing the effectiveness of controls, and making recommendations for improvement. In summary, innovative and technology audits are a critical tool for managing technological risks and enhancing innovation. They occur across all sectors, should be conducted regularly, and are carried out by skilled IT auditors. Their importance cannot be overstated in our increasingly digital world, where the effective management of technology and innovation can spell the difference between success and failure.